Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Automation with Priyanka. In the last video, we discussed about Node.js download, right? How to install Node environment on our local machine. And in fact, I have shown you through the command also that setup is completed. So when you just try, let's say if you are writing node-v, you will able to see Node version. Along with that, you will able to see npm, okay, npm version. So node package manager -v and you will get that npm version too. If you really wanted to check where exactly node is available, right? Then you can type this command where node and you will see the complete path. So this is under C drive, under program files. There is a node.js and there you can see this node.exe file. Got it? So here is our node available. Now guys, on the top of this environment, today in this video we'll be learning how to install Visual Studio editor in our local machine. So that we are able to write our scripting part, JavaScript, automation script, right? Through the Visual Studio code. So let's open another site and you can just search for Visual Studio Code and see this is the official website, Visual Studio Code. So code.visualstudio.com. When you open this, right, again, as per the platform, you can install this particular tool or software on your local machine. See, currently I'm getting direct option. Okay, yes, I can install it. Download it for the Windows machine, right? So just click on this option. And as soon as you download, right, then you can directly install this particular software. So process is very simple, but we need this editor so that we are able to write our logics. Correct? Now just have a look. It is in the process. And here you can see the setup. It's hardly 100 MB file. Okay. Great. So it is downloaded. Let me open this. And just guys, it's a exe setup. Double click on it. See, once you double click it, yeah, it is asking you to accept the agreement. So let's accept it. And let's click on next. So this is your location, right? Where the Visual Studio get installed. Let me click on next. Just click on next. Yes, I want desktop icon too. Click on next and see this is the whole detail, right? Ready to install. Let's do install it. So guys, it will take some time and it will install on your local machine. Now just have a look. Great, right? If I finish this process, now you can see this is your Visual Studio which is open, right? How you can start. Here in this editor, okay, we can create a new project. Even we can just create our folder and we can open it directly through this Visual Studio, right? So guys, if you can see here, this is the Explorer. I can directly open a folder or I can add a new folder instead of this, right? So if I just click on, okay, add a new folder, let me go to the desktop and let's create here some folder. Let me just create, okay, new and suppose folder. Okay, let's say code, right? And I'm just going to open this folder here, right? So yes, I wanted to trust this file and now you can see the code folder is there, right? Now inside this code, I can create a file. So just click on new file, whatever file it is. Let's say I'm writing firstcode.js, right? Which is JavaScript file. And this is how you can see I'm able to create a JavaScript file where I can write a code. And this is how this Visual Studio you can use for your further, automation testing or let's say for understanding JavaScript, right? So this is just the installation video. So I have just covered, okay, how to start with Visual Studio. For this, very first you need to install Node.js and then you can continue with Visual Studio installation. And here you can start writing your program. Example, I can just write a short code. Let's say console, okay, console dot log, okay, which will help us to print anything in the console. I'll say, okay, fine. Hello world. Let's write a basic code, right? Hello world. And this is my beautiful statement just to print inside JavaScript. We can use console.log function. And whatever you write inside this, right, it will work. So how to run this? Now please have a look. In this case, you will be able to see the option here, right? Run. Run through the directly debugging, without debugging, and there is a terminal also. Let me open a terminal. So currently this terminal will help you to run the code. Okay. How you can run it? You just need to write node. What is your first code? I mean the file name. I will be writing first code as it is, right? And then just hit enter key. Okay. At this moment, I'm not able to see the run. Okay. Let me just write again. So this is first code. Let me write .js. Oh, still I'm not able to see this. Oh, let me save the file. That was the problem. Let me save the file and let me try again this command. Just have a look. One more time, I'm writing node, first code, right? And yes, perfect. I can see the result. So, guys, every time when you create something here, right, code, you need to save it. Unless and until you save it, you will not able to see the result. So, perfect. Our editor is ready to write our logics, to write our program. That's all for this video. Thank you everyone for the watching, right? Watching this video. Thank you all.